Hi, I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support, where you ask the questions and we give the answers. Our question today is, what's the best way to treat fleas in carpet? Having fleas in the carpet is more common than you may think, and because they're so tiny, they may go unnoticed until you have a flea population explosion. So to get on top of this problem, you're going to need two tools, and no, I don't mean gas and a lighter. What you will need is a vacuum cleaner and a professional grade pesticide like Novicide. Using these two together, you will put a significant dent into your flea infestation. You'll want to vacuum under furniture and any upholstered furniture. When you're finished, make sure you take the bag and dispose of the bag outside, or if you have a canister, make sure you're washing it out with hot soapy water. Then spray Novicide Flea and Tick Killer on all floor surfaces. This is a powerful product that will help you get long-lasting control. It has a combination of insecticides that will kill adult fleas, but also has an insect growth regulator. This will disturb egg hatching and prevent young fleas from turning into adult fleas, effectively stopping their life cycle and preventing them from reproducing. Also, make sure that you're treating your pet, as they are likely the reason the infestation began. Remember, always treat the pet and the environment simultaneously. Make sure you vacuum all of your floors and your upholstered surfaces and retreat with Novicide in 10 to 14 days. This will get any of the new fleas that might have emerged from their cocoons. I'm Jason with Solutions Pest and Lawn, and this is Pest Support. If you have any pest control questions you need answers to, or have any pest-related problems you need help with, stop by one of our stores, visit our website, or give us a call and get help today. Remember, if you have a pet, you'll want to treat them too, as they are typically the likely suspects, And if you have pets, don't forget to treat them, since this is likely where your flea problem began. How about you just say it like that? It doesn't sound like a ding-dong head.